Top 8 Best Foam Cannons 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Its extra-wide bottleneck makes filling simple. This Foam King foam cannon works with pressure washers from 500 to 4200 psi, delivering scratch-free, rich foam. You can customize your wash with adjustable foam and spray, from a wide fan to a narrow stream. Just note, the snubster attachment isn't included. For auto detailing, trucks, or motorcycles, this durable car wash soap sprayer offers excellent foaming action and a hassle-free setup. Number 2. Its 110% satisfaction guarantee truly stands out. Adams Polishes backs this premium foam cannon completely, reflecting confidence in their auto detailing quality. This custom snow foam cannon works great for car wash enthusiasts using their other supplies. It's a reliable sprayer canister for deep cleaning. However, remember it does require a pressure washer to operate. For anyone building out a high-quality Adams detailing kit, it's an excellent choice. Number 3. Blast's thick, clinging suds. This Chemical Guy's Big Mouth Max foam cannon for pressure washers delivers maximum foam output. An adjustable nozzle and air injection system create shaving cream-like foam, actively loosening dirt and grime. It's also built tough, with heavy-duty construction and stainless steel fittings ensuring long service life. It's specifically for pressure washers. Garden hose users will need a different model. For a durable, high-foaming pressure washer foam gun, it's a strong contender. Number 4. Consistent soap flow without interruption makes this foam cannon stand out. The Griot's Garage Brilliant Foam Cannon uses a weighted silicone pickup tube for that, ensuring rich, clinging foam every time. Its precision-machined aluminum manifold and smooth-adjusting rubber grip nozzle mean top-notch build quality for your pressure washer setup. It helps maximize foam coverage for a better, glossier clean. Keep in mind, you'll need to rinse this car wash foamer after every use. A rebuild kit is also available for quick tune-ups, making it ideal for anyone committed to regular maintenance. This car wash sprayer is a high-quality choice for consistent, professional-level foam. Number 5. It works with both pressure washers and garden hoses. This 2-in-1 Armor All foam cannon kit is a top choice if you want maximum versatility in a car wash foam sprayer. It delivers high foaming results for intense cling, making car washing faster. You get the foam cannon, a foam applicator, and a garden hose adapter, which saves time. The main thing to note is car wash soap isn't included. It's sold separately. But for easy, versatile DIY detailing, it's a solid essential for your car cleaning supplies. Number 6. No pressure washer needed. This Adams Polishes foam gun delivers a dense foam wash right from your garden hose. It connects easily, making washes faster. Its premium heavy-duty build with stainless steel fittings ensures consistent performance. Adjustable settings produce gentle foam, safe for all finishes, and preserving wax. The catch? It's optimized for Adams-specific soaps. But for a quality foam gun that skips the pressure washer, this is a solid pick. Number 7. Direct garden hose foam. That's the key here. This is the Chemical Guy's TORQ Foam Blaster 6, a garden hose attachment for cars, an ideal car wash foam sprayer. It provides safe washing power. Thick suds encapsulate dirt and grime, reducing swirl marks and scratches. You get maximum lubrication for a scratch-free wash on all exterior vehicle surfaces. It's strictly a garden hose foam cannon, so it won't work with pressure washer systems. But for an easy, effective foam sprayer without extra ear, it's a solid choice. Number 8. The Chemical Guy's Mr. Sprayer gives you powerful, consistent pressure. This 50-ounce pressure pump spray bottle means fewer refills. Its adjustable nozzle goes from fine mist to a concentrated stream. It's great for car detailing chemicals or household cleaning. The heavy-duty bottle and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue. Just know, this isn't a foam cannon, but for a versatile, durable sprayer, it's a solid pick. Thanks for watching Best Foam Cannons. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.